woke up.
To a new day.
1 snack, 2 snack, 3 snack, 1 day. Oh my gosh, she spilled everything.
Huh?
That's hot.
We should take a picture of me.
Guys, get out! I'm trying to shower. Dang. Put it up. Hell yeah, look at this.
No! You hit the camera? Chill out.
Caesar, you forgot?
Told you still has pressure? Wait, what? What the fuck just happened? Wait, it's automatic?
Alright, so Caesar's about to shoot me in the leg with the paintball gun. Let's see how this goes. Oh! Wait, give me some more, It doesn't look real. So we got potato head. Daniel, he's the son of the Tacos La Bamba owner. So they kind of like, y'all hosted it, right?
We're not necessarily hosting it. It's more or less a community event where it's everyone that's sponsoring it. We're all a part of it. So it's not necessarily just Tacos La Bamba hosting it. It's everybody hosting it.
Okay, y'all heard it from Daniel.
La primera que traiga la bota de su mamá is gonna be her mom's food. Her mom's food? Her mom's food. The first little girl, go get your mom's food. Entre más larga, mejor la bota, Entre más larga, go get a food from your mom. You probably didn't want food. Ahí viene la bota de la mamá, viene a la 1, a las 2, a las 3. Señora, quítese la bota. Aquí llegó. Ya llegó primero. El aplauso. Te damos el regalo, te vamos a dar la bota. ¿Me quedo con la bota? ¿Sí? ¿El regalo o la bota? ¿Qué quieres? ¿La bota de tu mamá o el regalo? Bueno, nos quedamos con la bota. No te creas, ven para acá, mija. Venga por la bota. El aplauso para la niña. Y claro que sí queremos recordarles que este evento fue patrocinado por mis compadres de Pineapple Soda.
Can you do that meme where he goes, ah?